improv show. It was so hysterical. This guy talks totally monotone, like he's got one brain cell. He has a scene partner, was talking like a mile a minute. And Lisa, you upstairs? Anyway, they're on this journey and they're acting like he's giving birth completely in drag. It was so funny. Jody. Jody. Check it out. Oh my god. Are you up here? Don't come in! Oh my god. You're making me show. An ambulance, 672, vehicle units in Santa Clarita. Wake up! We need ambulance right now, hurry!
Detective, I saw something on Saturday night that I think you should know about.